and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Sonia Gandhi gets list of Congress candidates from all 40 constituencies. Decision expected after 3rd February. Goa police arrest a British and an Indian national with gold at Kalangut. Gold worth 19 lakh rupees recovered. Venkaiah Naidu slams Congress on Bahujan Samaj remark, dares Congress to appoint a Bahujan Samaj MLA as CM. Goan players may dream big, Premier League soccer could make I-League club owners pay more. And Yusuke Kato samples Japanese and Indian football. Dempo's Kato is impressed with India players in Dempo camp. Now the news in detail. The high-level Congress meeting finalizing Congress candidates for assembly elections ended midway on Tuesday. The meeting concluded halfway due to the strictures passed by the Supreme Court on Prime Minister's office. Goa Congress leaders have handed over the list prepared by the screening committee to Sonia Gandhi.
Screening committee of the Congress held a meeting with Sonia Gandhi on Tuesday in Delhi. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar informed us that they have submitted a list of 40 aspirants to the High Command. They also informed us that decision on alliance will be taken in couple of days.
आज सीईसी मीटिंग झाली.
हां.
त्यात 40 मतदारसंघाच्या लिस्टा संबंधी डिस्कशन झाले.
हां.
आणि काही संबंधी निवडून आता मुखालेख बनता ऐकलं. मीटिंग पूर्ण झाली असा फक्त इथले किती तर आजो इश्यू आमच्या अलायन्सचा इश्यू सॉर्ट आउट जाता आज जातलो. एक दोन तास काय झाले.
This list seems to have lots of surprises. Sources say that some unexpected and shocking changes are expected in the list. With the election round the corner, the heartbeats of politicians are on rise. They are scared that they will be nowhere if they are denied a ticket. Sources in Delhi say that meeting was concluded half the way due to the stricture passed on the Prime Minister's office by the Supreme Court on the 2G scam case. Sources say that final decision is expected only after 3rd Feb. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa police have achieved a major haul and have arrested a Briton and an Indian national with gold worth 19 lakh rupees on Tuesday. Lloyd McCullum, UK national, and Anthony Mascarenhas have been arrested by Kalangut police.
It is all belong to the Kalangut supermarket. We have already recovered this, and this accused British national, his name is Lloyd McLean. He came last November in Goa, and his associate is another from Anthony Mascarenhas. He is also a local boy from Madavado, there, Naikavado area, Kalangut. Both have been arrested in this case, and the property has been recovered from him.
Yeah, they all belong to me. And I am very much thankful to the Kalangut police station and Prudent police station, especially PI Mr. Santosh Desai has really worked so well that within no time he investigated the matter and managed to get all my things back.
A senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
BJP's central leader Venkaiah Naidu has claimed that rising scams during the Congress tenure have brought a bad name to the country. Naidu has assured to look into the matter of Sripad Naik entering local politics. He has dared Congress to appoint a Bahujan Samaj MLA as CM.
7 years this government is failing continuously in controlling inflation, in encouraging growth rate, in stopping the farmer suicide. These scams have brought disrepute to the country's name across the world. They have made India as a laughing stock.
Venkaiah Naidu addressed a press conference in Panji on Tuesday, replying to Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik's charges of BJP sidelining Bahujan Samaj leaders. Naidu questioned why Congress doesn't make one of their Bahujan Samaj MLA as the Chief Minister.
What is it the Congress have done? Why they have not made a OBC as the Chief Minister? If they are so concerned, love for the OBCs, who prevented them from making a OBC as the Chief Minister?
Naidu also informed that party will resolve Shripad Naik's candidature issue.
Mr. Shripad Naik is a senior party leader. Party has given him respect. Party has made him earlier national office bearer. Party has made him MP. Party has made him minister. If he has got any problem, party will discuss it within the party forum and all those things will be solved out. He is a disciplined soldier of the party.
BJP Central Election Committee meeting is scheduled on 3rd of February. Manifesto, candidates and other decisions will be out only after this meeting. A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Sarveshwar Uskar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.